Hi, buddy. How are you? How are you? Nice and warm in here. It's pretty cold out there today, buddy. It's only like 15 degrees. I know, happy guy, happy guy. You need to go outside? You gotta go potty? What do you think? What do you think? Oh, I'm sorry. You want to smell? You and your happy tail. What's the matter? You want to go outside? You're probably gonna need your jacket. You want to get your jacket on first? Oh, I love you. You're so adorable. Okay. Okay, you want to check it out? Oh, they gotta unlock it. That would help. Ooh! There we go. There we go. Oh, you, man. Too cold? Yeah, I hear that. I love you, man.